Cordial greeting, tutor and collectors. My name is Laura Victoria Gómez Hoyos. I am registered in the site of Palmira, Valle del Cauca. I currently live in Yotoko, Valle. For the previous activity, I worked with Carmelit Sugar, Ingenio Carmelita. Science has a very big concern, and it hit the Higgs contamination from the burning of the sugar canes affecting animals and people. How does this company contributed to pollution in our world? Ingenuity have already mentioned affects the environment in a negative way. Many animals create their homes in the crops and turn Melbourne them, destroying life and your home. And people have very negative health consequences, especially in infection respiratory, due to burning the mucus will take crops, so that we no longer harm our biodiversity. On the other hand, in the latter, I did no specific goals, but the idea is that CBC is in charge of improving the problems, so act not to cause more consequence of the environment, the demands in matter to the CBC. With the aim to control the burning and to access monocultures are worked more ecologically. As an ecologically alternative ecological, I suggest that taxi companies make a constant monitoring of animals and that actions are taken to arbiter habitat where they can be that milk plants, many forests, within the crop to preserve the native species. That burns be carried out in another way in her space where it does not generate pollution, or that they look for a different alternative to farming. In a positive way, there will no longer be native infection ni danger of extinction. People sick with respiratory infection and air pollution from burning. Land pollution. Thank you very much. Happy day.